thanks for joining me. I've got a problem. We've got this rear wiper blade here, and if you can see that, it's split, it's had it. Now this has been on the car for as long as I've owned it, which is years. Been onto Amazon, I put a link in the description. We've picked up a nice Bosch replacement blade. Nice and easy to change, it's not a difficult one. What we're going to do is just lift this up slightly. You need a flat bladed screwdriver. We're literally just between the two metal markers, or the two bits there, they're tabs. I'm going to pop the screwdriver in and just give it a twist and just gently ease it out, and it should just pop out quite stiff. Here it comes, there we go, look, and it's out. And as you can see, the new one is a bit more plasticky, but it's very, very similar. Okay, that's what you're faced with there. That's the clip. The clip is the middle one just there. That's where we're going to try and aim and get his wiper blade in. You can give that an extra tug and it comes up a bit. And then we just put that in there and then push it all the way in. Clips in, push that down. Job's a good one. So there we go, all changed over, nice new blade in there. I hope that's been of interest to you. Like I said, link for the wiper blade, straight from Amazon Prime, next day delivery is in the description below. It always helps me out if you use my link, so I appreciate that. If it's been of use to you, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, drop me some comments. See you in the next video.